show you how easy it is to create a sales funnel with OptimizePress. Here we are at WordPress, and then we go to OptimizePress and funnel dashboard, and you click this button, create your first funnel scratch. But if you begin with this program, magnet funnel, newsletter funnel, or waitlist funnel, and this is the list building funnel. So we have sales funnels, summit, event, launch funnel, the lead magnet funnel here. Creating funnels, I would suggest step funnel with an opt-in page and a thank you page. At the thank you page, they will get further instructions on getting the free lead magnet. So let's select this design. And select a page depending on what kind of offer you have. If it's about technology, there you have the thank you page for that. Lifestyle, technology, or if you wanna, you can preview the page here. And you just click the blue button here. And then you create a name for your funnel here and a funnel description, what you will share information about. And just call it affiliate money because to make it discover how to have your break with affiliate marketing. And then when you have filled in all the info, then you just click on create new funnel. Statistics of this funnel for the landing page as well as the thank you page with tracking, and here you can copy the link to the first page. And so that's how easy it is. OptimizePress. To get started with OptimizePress or learn more about it, click the link below, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.